Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1955 Chevy Shortcut. Now the first thing you may be wondering when you look at this car is, what the heck is he driving right there? Well, fun fact, folks, this is the time where classics and customs really came together. As originally born as a four-door Bel Air, you will see that it's been chopped up and actually made into a custom two-door. Looking at it though, it still features its fine and beauty from the 55, featuring the fine little red and white, maybe even a beige two-tone exterior, followed by the fine trim coming along the sides, and even so, looking at it with its modernized upgrade, the 5-spoke wheels with the black wall tires. Looking at it though, you still have one single mirror on the driver's side to show that it is a safe little driver vehicle, as well as its beauty in the back, which you will definitely see on a lot of 55s. But as we move on to the inside, you will see it is an automatic on the column, even so having an aftermarket wheel, still providing the amount of room that you would enjoy in any kind of Bel Air, as it does have the cloth bucket style seats. But from the cluster, you will see we have the original 55 cluster, and even so to the right, you will see we have the AM radio, followed by the Bel Air speaker and clock on the right side. To upgrade it a little bit and show that it is a safe vehicle as well, you have your 3 aftermarket gauges going from oil pressure, temperature, and even battery voltage. Looking at it though, she does handle well. As for air, you didn't have audio nor air, but you do have the fine vent windows with crank. Even so, crank windows on the lower side of there, which even makes it better, because during the time today, you always have to worry about motors, you always have to worry about problems, but with the simple window crank, you have no problems at all. Which, as we do look on, is not just about the exterior, it's not about the interior, but more importantly, the powerhouse underneath the hood, featuring a built 350 small block Chevy. As you will see, it does have built-in headers, aluminum radiator, and dual exhaust out the back. Best part about it is it's a perfect size motor for this engine and perfect size for the vehicle, and even so better while handling, which we can open it up right now. And that is what America sounds like, folks. True power and true sound. Which, even so, I forgot to mention, fun fact about the 55 that we have with us. It is not open its hood like a regular 55, but opens up from the firewall and has been made custom to fit the Shortcut that we are driving. But as for now though, we are just going to get safely turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.